Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make this sketch into a 3D Solidworks. And now let's start it. First, we make this base. The length base is 80, the width base is 50, and the thick base is 20. Go to Solidworks, go to top plan, active rectangle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make this line length is 80 and make this line length is 50. After that, go to feature, active extrude boss, make extrude boss parameter is 20 and click OK. And after that, make this cut. The length is 30 and the height is 80. And the height is 8. Go to this face, active center line, click from this point to this point, active rectangle again. Active rectangle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, click this line and this center line, make 3T and make this line is 8. Okay, active mirror entities, select this rectangle, make this center line for mirror about and OK. And after that, go to feature, active extrude cut, choose direction is through all. Okay. See? Now we will make this part. The angle direction is 60 degree and the radius is 15. The fillet radius is 3 and the hole is 12. From this edge to the center of circle is 25. Make like this. Go to this face, active line, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, click this edge and this line, make 60 degree. Okay, click this point and this edge, make 25. Okay, exit sketch and go to this face, active circle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 3T. Okay, and after that, click this point and this point, make coincident. Before that, active line, click this point to this point, active trim entities, click cut this line and OK. And after that, as a sketch, active sweat boss, click sketch 4 and this sketch and click OK. See, the part is making. And now we will make the hole. Show this line, go this face again, active circle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 12. Okay, click this point and this line, make first. Okay, and after that, go to feature, active exit sketch, active sweep cut, click this sketch and this sketch and click OK. See, Now hide this sketch. See? Now we make the radius 3 and make this hole. The hole diameter is 10 mm and the distance bandwidth hole is 60. Active fillet. Make fillet parameter is 3 and click this edge and this edge. Okay. Next, make active hole wizard. Choose this type. Choose type Delish size. Make hole size is 10. Go to position. Click this face. Click this point and this point. Active smart dimension. Click this point and this point. Make 60. Click this edge and this point. Make 10 mm. Make the point is horizontal and in the hole in center. Active center line. Click from this point to this point. Make the center line horizontal. Okay, and after that click OK. See, the part is ready. See? Now go to app branch. Go to metal. Go to brass. Choose polish brass. Maybe matte brass. Maybe this one. And click OK. See, I think it's the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks is my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial. Bye bye.